selected the company. This is
Yeah.
generally only professional networkers and who has deep knowledge of network marketing will select the company. Really, otherwise people just randomly they join, they do something, then they become inactive or they the company. This is really you had determined your mind to do something big. That is the reason why you spent your money all the way from Hungary to Malaysia to fly and to
Yeah.
verify the company. That is fantastic. Really mind-boggling to get leader in network marketing. Mr. Laszlo, another question I would like to ask. Why are you attracted to new technology? Because you are a conventional marketing guy. Why you are attracted to alternative marketing?
Yeah, because when I took a decision, I want to build a network marketing business. I was really serious about it. So I bought many network marketing books, and I studied everything. I read every books that I saw, because I try to understand is how working this system. And it's I had a problem, because I don't like what I have to do in the network marketing, because I'm not a pushy man, so I wouldn't like to push the people, do this. So I went few advisor, few mentors, and I asked him who they was my friends, and I asked them, please tell me, how can I get the excitement about the network marketing opportunity? And they told me same, Laszlo, if you want to build a huge business in the network marketing industry, you have to find your motivation. This is not outside motivation. I'm talking about the motivation is how can you enjoy when you build this business. So I tried to find a way, and finally I found, because my profession is the online marketing, so I thinking I can really enjoy the build a network marketing business via online. So it was my idea, because if you get the excitement about this industry, you can do. But if you want to make only money, you cannot. So it's important some more deeply feeling.
Yes, that is the really reason how you got into system. I would like to know, Mr. Laszlo, when did you think online marketing is powerful? Because I know that I don't think any other people in DX have done such an online volume as far as my knowledge goes. Because most of the guys who are experts or top leaders, most of them offline only. I am totally offline. India, there is no online. Now only we are trying to bring online. Maybe. But you, from the beginning, day one, concentrated on online recruitment, online sponsoring, online product supply, everything. How it was possible, what way you have done that as a powerful tool.
Okay, I have to share with you a story, and maybe this story is answer your question. I had a really strong vision about it, so of course I really believe it can be working what I created, but of course I cannot be sure. So the story is, when I am ready this system, of course the first version was Hungarian language. so in my mother language. So I created the web page, created the system with my programmer team, and when everything is ready, I wouldn't like to take any mistake, so I try to find the person who can check the words, the corrector, who is check every word is right, every letters in the right place. So I want to find a professional. So finally I found a lady, and I sent her my web page, and I told her, please give me the price, the price of her, how much is you check my website. And her answer was, how can I join? So that time, that time I know, okay, it's working. So now she's one of my diamonds. She's one of my double diamonds. So
Fantastic.
she's a full-time network builder.
That was mind-boggling, really. That was a fantastic you recruitment which you, I know afterwards, no looking back. And how you got to know about DXN network marketing?
Yes. So in the marketing, in the MLM books, already wrote what is the most important thing about the network marketing company. The own plantation, own factories, marketing plan is how many times it's changed, who is the owner, everything. So when I found the DXN through the internet, nobody sponsored me, and I create the list, the checklist, and I sent a Malaysian HU, and I told them, I am coming, I want to check everything. I want to check everything before I join. And my first impression when I landed in Alor Star, the airport, in Kuala Lumpur, I saw the big billboard in the airport. The DXN is the biggest MLM exporter in Malaysia. And the amazing story, other amazing story, many companies telling, I am the biggest. But when I arrived at the hotel in Kuala Lumpur, in the reception, I found a prospect, the tourist prospect, about Kedah. Kedah, is a place of the birthplace in the DXN. And this independent tourist prospect wrote it, if you want to see the biggest Ganoderma plantation in the world, you can see the DXN plantation. Entry is free. So it was a really good impression for me. And it's of course I checked the farm, checked the plantation. I met Miss Jane, and I personal story. I asked the company, I want to see the marketing plan presentation, but not from the leaders, but for the staff. And do you know who was the person 12 years ago who took me the first marketing plan presentation? It was your international marketing director, is Ashish, Mr. Ashish. The Indian man. He was young, of course, 12 years ago. And I really remember the first day he showed me how working the DXN marketing plan. So it was an amazing feeling, and I saw, yes, the DXN is the biggest company in this sector, and DXN is the oldest Ganoderma company. Every other company is copied the DXN, so DXN is the origin company. So I saw the background, and I immediately joined the DXN.
Fantastic. You made really a research